I've got 7 colors, so that's what I'm restricted by, and I've got 50 bikes. So I want to find the ceiling of nm divided by m, and I want that to be k plus 1. So let's see what we've got in this situation. I've got 50 divided by 7, and so you know that the ceiling of that will be 8, and that's got to be k plus 1. Oh, so I know what k is. K is going to be 7. So you could also do it, let me just do it in a different color, or you could say 50 has got to be bigger than k times 7. So the k has got to be at least, it's got to be 7, right? So that I get 49, and that means k plus 1 is 8. So it turns out to be the same in either situation. So let's go on to the other one that I skipped. Let's do this one. So I've got 40 students, so that's my n is 40. Age groups. I've got these different students, all these different age groups, and I want to figure out how the number of age groups. How can I do that? So I'm going to look at, what do I have? I've got 34 is the oldest, minus 17 is the youngest, add 1, right? So I've got 18 age groups. So using this n divided by m for the ceiling of that, right, which is k plus 1. So let's translate that. So I'd have 40 divided by 18. So just so you know, that gives us 2.22. So the ceiling of that would be 3. And the ceiling is k plus 1. So that means k is equal to 2. So how many do I need to bet so that I win it? I want to make sure I do bigger than 2. So therefore, I want to bet 3 of them, right? I don't want to have just equal to 3. I want more than 3. Let's look at this next one. So I've got this whole bunch of pennies, these different years, 11, 7, 12. Okay. So somehow, let me get rid of this. So I'm going to pick some pennies without looking at the dates. How can you be sure that you pick enough of them to get 5 in the same year? So I don't know how many pennies I need to pick. That's what I'm trying to find. And how many age groups do I have? Oh yeah, I can see that there's 3 age groups. And it's kind of just extra information that they're telling me how many pennies of each. It doesn't really matter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the ceiling of n divided by 3. And I want to have 5 pennies. So I want this to equal 5. So I want this to equal k plus 1. Oh, so that means I want the ceiling of n divided by 3 to equal, give us 4 plus 1. I'm trying to get to the result, but I can see from here that k has got to be 4, right? Okay, so if k's got to be 4, then I'm going to transition over to, oh yeah, n divided by 3 has got to be bigger than 4. So n's got to be bigger than 12. Therefore, how many do you want to pick? You want to pick 13 of them.